Nagkasali siya klase ng mga bikini ko. Medyo i-imagine sa isip niya ang balik sa bikini ko. Dumagila na yung people na
Thank you, Miguel.
pati din yung hindi sa tulong. Pero one night na class balik sa isip. Pasan siya na. Tapos medyo iman. Siyempre, parang kada sa tunga, naglalagpang makbulang mga ito. Diba? Kapit sa pagkalit. Kasi siya sa water of pagkalit. Pero siya niya. Kaya dinagawin ka na kalit. Gusto ka rin sa iyo. Baka ba? May lawas. Diba? So, next we have labor trafficking. So this labor, pag labor trafficking ang kauglangan, wala bayad, may fraud, may coercion, just like same sa human trafficking. So victims of labor trafficking may include migrant workers who are promised employment. Nangyari nakakaroon dito, pili ang kumpanya na may example. Individuals labor trafficking can occur in various industries both within the country and across borders. Vulnerable populations including undocumented migrants na nag-aagi backdoor. Isang bangga, backdoor na. Isang bangga, pagkabog mo, paano nang takasag isang bangga? Malaysia. Malaysia, hindi siya lapit na nila. No? So, legal framework, the Philippines has laws including RA 9208. So what is the 908? That at the labor and provide legal remedies for victims. Okay, 15 minutes pa. UNCHR policy on the prevention of risk mitigation and response to gender-based. So when we say mitigate, parang magano siya, ano na mag-stop, parang nag-control na, So, according to UNHCR, gender-based violence can include sexual, physical, mental, and economic. So this can happen for such as intimate partner violence, sexual violence, child marriage, female genital mutilation, and so-called honor crimes. So UNHCR is defined as as an umbrella term for any so this policy here. Tayo with this one. Oh, you were done. Okay, so purpose. List of dapat maungan sila sa pag-training nila. 98, tapos dapat 90.